Oh shit. Yep.
It's dangerous right there.
It's all good, it's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good, dude.
Dude, no way.
I got it. Gavin, that on, baby.
Did you get your rod back?
Yeah.
Wow.
Come in.
There we go.
Walk down this way. Sean, come in right, hot real. Watch your rod. I can't move. Just toss all over.
Easy. Slow down.
I felt that shit when it dropped. I was like, yeah, I got it. I felt it, bro.
That's fucking $1,000.
You fucking big, that's.
I hooked something.
Oh, right?
Dude, you know what was going through my mind?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a fucking awesome day.
Put it left.
Stay with him.
I dropped the rod in the water.